Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. It is Sinan from sinBAD Paints. This is officially the very first video here, and I'm super excited to kick things off with one of my favorites, Warhammer 40,000. Today we are unboxing and building Cato Sicarus from Ultramarines. If you love miniatures, painting, or just watching someone trying not to glue their fingers together, you are in the right place. And since this is the first video, it would mean a ton if you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps this new adventure get started. Alright, let's take a look at what we got here. Inside the box, we've got a single sprue, the base, and of course the instruction sheet. Pretty standard for Warhammer kit delivery. Clean, crisp, plastic sprues with a ton of details. Look at the armor, the sculpting on these newer kits is crazy sharp. Instruction looks straightforward. You got numbered parts, and thankfully this isn't one of those 400 pieces characters with optional everything. For a first video, I think this is the perfect level of complexity. Right, let's get started on the build. I'll be using some pretty standard tools, such as plastic clippers, scalpel as hobby knife, sanding papers around 400, sanding sponge 800, Tamiya plastic glue, and super glue with activators. So nothing really fancy. Alright, when you clip out the pieces from the sprue, you don't want to stress the plastic and create odd marks on the model itself. So, I'm cutting the parts from the sprue with some buffer on them. Once separated from the sprue, then I go once again with a nipper and try to have a cleaner cut. To have a smoother surface, I recommend to use sanding paper and then controlled swipe with the hobby knife. It might be a bit excessive, but let's give our precious model the care they most deserved. Then we clean up some of the mold lines with the hobby knife. Little details like this make a big difference when you start painting later. First up is the torso and legs. Especially for the torso, Games Workshop models usually come in two halves, and the one fits perfectly. As soon as you glue it together, you start to see the iconic silhouette. The details on the armor are going to be so much fun to paint. You've got great depth in the chest plate, clean edges on the shoulder pads, and plenty of nice raised surfaces for highlights and letterings. Next, we got the arms. I always dry fit these before gluing, just to make sure the pose looks natural. Honestly, this is one of my favorite pose Games Workshop does. Now the head. I love this part because suddenly the miniature has personality, even if the personality is, I have spent the last 10,000 years in eternal war. And finally, the signature power pack with the banner goes on. There's something deeply satisfying about the last click when the model just comes together. Alright, there we have it, finally fully assembled and ready for prime. Honestly, the kit went together beautifully. And that's it for today unboxing and build. If you enjoy hanging out with me, or if you are a fellow Warhammer fan, I really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It's just the beginning. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.